welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, November 5th. I wanted to vlog just like the morning and part of today because I haven't vlogged in a while and I miss you guys. I feel like this week has been super stressful and crazy, especially for us in the US going through this whole election. So I'm going to talk more about that later and like kind of go through some stress coping mechanisms. Yeah, the election is still going on. I check my phone every 5 minutes and it's really bad. I'm going to start this vlog off with a haul because this video is sponsored by Nastygal. This haul is so good. I have so many like staple fall and winter pieces, and you guys know Nastygal is super affordable and everything is like such amazing quality. I literally love every single piece that I picked out. You guys are probably wondering where this sweatshirt is from. It's so cute. It's from Nastygal. So let's go ahead and get into that little haul. Okay, so getting into this Nastygal haul, like I said, I got a ton of just like fall and winter staples, some sweaters, pants. I got this super cute pair of boots that I'm obsessed with. Starting with this sweatshirt, I love this so much. It's just a white crew neck sweatshirt. It says Brooklyn, New York on it. I love like the red text. I got this in a size large. Sometimes I get a little carried away with like getting things oversized, and I probably could have gotten a medium, but I still love like how big it is. It's so comfy and just like easy to throw on. I threw it on this morning to walk Lennon, and it just is like so warm and cozy and also super cute. Next up, I have this little outfit that I think looks so good together. So we just have this sweater, which is such a staple. It's just a camel colored kind of mock neck sweater. It's so comfortable, soft, like not itchy at all. I feel like this looks like it could be a very like expensive high-end sweater. This just like screams fall to me, and I just feel like it's like the perfect brown staple sweater. And then I just paired it with these super cute pants. I've been looking for pants in this like style for so long. I see them all over Instagram and Pinterest. So they're just like black high-waisted like stretchy skinny pants, and then the ends have little slits on the side. I paired them with a pair of little like strappy heels that I already had because I feel like this style looks best with like a little pair of heels. They're so comfortable. They basically just feel like stretchy, kind of like leggings almost, but I feel like they look very elevated, and I think these would be great pants to wear to like dinner. I don't know where we're really going these days, but you know, just like a nicer pair of pants. Okay, this next outfit is so cute. We have this top, which again, staple. It's just this black long sleeve turtleneck top. The material is so nice and thick. It's like a ribbed texture, and then the back is completely open and it just has a little tie in the middle. I've been seeing tops like this everywhere. They're super trendy right now. This just like plain black one is so easy to pair with literally any pants. So I just paired them with these pants, which are these super cute high-waisted checkered pants. They're just like a straight fit. I don't really have any pants like this, so I think they're super fun. And then I also paired these boots from Nastygal with this outfit. They are so cute. They're like patent leather, black heeled booties. They have a square toe, and I haven't worn them for like a long time or anything yet, but they're super comfortable just like standing in them right now. I've been needing a new pair of black heeled boots, so I'm so excited to have these. Next up, we have this little slip dress. It needs a good steam, so just ignore that. But I know this doesn't look super fall or winter appropriate, but picture this dress like layered over a white maybe or black long sleeve turtleneck. I think that would look really, really cute. Or you could go for like an edgier look and throw a black leather jacket over this. I just feel like simple, like silky slip dresses like this are really versatile and good to just have in your closet. Lastly, from Nastygal, I have this super cute little lounge set. Nastygal has so many of these two-piece lounge sets on their website, and you just can never go wrong with these. These pants are amazing. They're so soft, and they're just like a wide leg, super comfy pant. And then we have the little matching long sleeve crop top to go with it. I already know I'm gonna be living in this just on like chill days around my apartment. It's so comfortable. Plus, I also got these little slippers from nastygal, which I feel like just go with this outfit so well. Ignore my toenails, I need a pedicure so bad, but they're just these fuzzy crisscross slippers and they're so soft. Gonna be wearing these all around the apartment, so love this set so much. And that is everything from nastygal, so thank you so much to them for partnering with me on today's video. Everything that I showed you will be linked down below if you guys want to shop any of it for yourselves. Okay, so now it is around 8:45 in the morning and I'm about to make breakfast. I already had coffee this morning and then I took Lennon on a walk, and now I'm back and I'm gonna make a smoothie for breakfast. So I thought I'd show you guys my little smoothie recipe that I've been making lately. It's nothing fancy, but it's really good and healthy and it fills me up. Also, I got my hair done yesterday and I love it. You guys always ask like what I ask for at the salon. I usually don't really ask for anything specific. I just say like blonde, and my girl Charlie does like whatever she thinks will look good. But this time I really wanted like a super bright front like money piece. So these little front pieces, we went super blonde on, and then we kept the rest of my roots kind of like natural. And I think it looks so good. I love it so much. And I just feel like it makes me look so much more blonde, even though it's really just like this piece in the front. The thing I hate the most about making smoothies is cleaning the blender after. It's like the most annoying thing. So I usually make 2 at a time, and then I just freeze the other half and have it the next day. So this is gonna be 2 smoothies worth of ingredients. First, I'm gonna do our liquid. I just use coconut water, but you can use like milk, almond milk, oat milk. I'm gonna fill this up to the 1 cup mark. Then I'm gonna use a protein powder just because I don't get enough protein in my diet and I've been trying to lately. So I just use this organic protein plant-based powder. It's in the vanilla flavor. You can get this at like Target, Amazon. It has a little scooper in it, so I'm just gonna use 2 scoops of this since I'm making 2 smoothies. And I really like the taste of this. It makes the smoothie like sweeter, I feel like, because it's the vanilla flavor, so it's very yummy. Then I'm going to put in our greens. So I'm gonna use spinach. I know this doesn't look appetizing so far, but I promise like it tastes really good. And like the spinach barely has the flavor really. It's just good for you. I kind of just take like a handful like this. And then for fruits, I use all frozen fruit. So I'm gonna use frozen mango, frozen pineapple, and then I have some frozen bananas in here. So I'm gonna use like 2/3 of a banana. I have like not a lot of mangoes left, so I'm just gonna finish this bag. Lastly, I'm just gonna add in like a spoonful of chia seeds. Again, they don't really affect the flavor at all, but they're just good for you. Ta-da, here she is. It's a very like thick smoothie, which I prefer, but if you want it to be more of like a juice, you could use like more coconut water or less frozen fruit, but I like it to be like really thick. So here we are, super good. Sorry if you can hear sirens outside. I have the windows open because it is so beautiful out. It's 55 degrees right now, but it's gonna get up to like 70 degrees today and the next couple of days, so very exciting. I just placed a Sephora order and I thought I'd tell you guys what I got. So it's like their sale going on right now. I think by the time this video goes up, the sale will probably be over. But they have these a couple times a year, and I just mostly got like restocks of stuff that I already have but just needed more of. But I'll do like a haul even though I don't have the stuff yet, but I'll like insert little pictures. So first things that I knew I needed desperately were restocks of my Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. I'm running very low on both of these, but these are the shampoo and conditioners that I've been using since like the beginning of quarantine-ish, and they have been helping my hair so much. My hair has grown so long and it feels really healthy, and I absolutely love these. I also use the Olaplex number 3 hair mask and the number 6 leave-in treatment that I put in after I wash my hair, but I didn't need more of those, so I just needed the shampoo and the conditioner. And then I also made kind of a big purchase. I've been wanting this hair tool for a while now, and I figured I should just get it when it's on sale. So I got the Dry Bar. It's called the Double Shot Blow Dryer Brush. It's basically like a round brush but like heated, and I don't know if I'll like this. If not, I'll return it, but I've been really wanting to try it because I never know how to like style my hair. I used to straighten it a lot, and that's just like not good for it, and also I don't really love how it looks totally straightened, but sometimes I'll curl it. But I like the look of just like smooth blowout, like kind of straight but like with some waves and dimension. But I am unable to do like an actual blowout myself. Like I can't hold the hair dryer with the round brush at the same time. Like it's just very challenging. Lennon's biting my feet right now. So I figured I'd give this a try, and it's basically supposed to like give you the look of a blowout but super easy and quick. We'll see. I'll update you guys once I get this and try it out, and maybe if I like it I'll show you like a little tutorial on how I use it. Then I also got another Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I have had this bronzer for years and mine was just getting really old and empty. So I like this bronzer for the winter months when I'm on the paler side, because even the one I have on now is like slightly too orange for me. So when I'm like not tan, I can't really get away with my normal orange bronzer. So this one's like a little more cool tone, but it's not like too gray, and it's just really nice. It smells like chocolate, so got another one of those. Also got a backup of my Anastasia clear brow gel because I'm almost out of that. That's just like my go-to clear brow gel just to set my brows in place. I also got another bottle of the Dry Bar Prep Rally spray. It's basically like a detangler spray, but I just spray it all over my hair after I get out of the shower when I wash my hair, and it just makes my hair smell really good, honestly, and it like smooths it out, detangles, and it's just like part of my hair wash routine. So I'm almost out of that, so I got another one. And lastly, I just got another beauty blender. I just used the black like pro one. I always pick one of these up during the Sephora sales because like obviously I wash my beauty blender regularly, but at a certain point you just gotta like replace it and get a new one. So I always get one when it's on sale. And yeah, that is all for my Sephora sale haul. Lennon wanted to say hi. She's getting so big, guys. I took her to the vet on Tuesday and she was 10.7 pounds. I don't know exactly how much she was when I got her, but when I took her to the vet 3 weeks before that, she was 7 pounds. So she's growing so fast. They said she'll probably get up to 20 pounds. And so she's basically like half of the size she's gonna be full grown. You need to stop biting. That's what you need to work on. She officially has all of her vaccines. I just have to wait till like next week-ish, and then I can start taking her to the dog park, which is gonna be so fun and I think really good for her because she can like run around and get her energy out because she's like a little crazy, and obviously there's not like a ton of room for her to run in here. So when I can start taking her out to the dog park where she can run freely and play with other dogs and socialize, that's gonna be so good for her. Just made some of these Trader Joe's spring rolls for lunch. Okay, I just sat in this very random corner in my living room because the lighting's good here, but I just made spring rolls for lunch. So I wanted to just sit down, eat my lunch, and chat with you guys. I feel like this whole vlog is gonna be very chatty, but honestly, I'm like not really doing much today. And I haven't really been doing much this week because Tuesday was election day. It feels like it's election week because as of when I'm filming this video, we don't know the results officially yet. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, we will know but honestly, who knows at this point. Tuesday morning, I went and voted in person. I had a really good experience. It was very easy. I know that's not the case for a lot of people, kind of like depending on where you live. I know so many people had to wait out in lines for hours in the cold, so props to you if you had to do that, but just know like it was worth it to get your vote in. But luckily where I live, there was no line and I was just like in and out in 10 minutes and it was super easy. Basically starting Tuesday night into all of yesterday, I was checking the news app on my phone like every 5 minutes and checking Instagram, seeing what people were saying, watching the news 24/7. But today I'm trying to unplug a little bit more and stay off my phone more and not have the news on all day, just because it has been getting to me and I've been feeling really stressed and anxious. I'm feeling better today because things are looking better today, but I'm sure a lot of you guys have also been stressed just because this election like is so important and the stakes are so high, so like there's reason to be stressed. But there's kind of this like tricky balance of needing to stay informed but also needing to like take care of yourself. So I've been staying informed, but today I'm gonna try to de-stress a little bit. So I'm gonna give you guys some of my like tips that I do to de-stress. They're kind of basic. This can be applied to this week, but also like any stressful situation that anyone might be going through. But if you guys have any like de-stressing coping mechanisms or like things to help you when you're feeling anxious, leave them in the comments down below. We can all share what we like to do that makes us feel better. First thing I do when I'm stressed is eat, so that's great. One thing that I like to do when I'm feeling really stressed is unplug, and I'm still trying to get better at this because I get really anxious when I don't have access to my phone. But it is important to step away from your phone, step away from the news or from social media or whatever is stressing you out. Most of the stress that I feel like on a day-to-day basis comes from my phone or things that I am seeing on my phone. So it's always healthy to just turn your phone off, even if it's for like an hour. I know I'm always paranoid and I make the excuse of like, what if someone is trying to contact me during that hour? But honestly, 99.9% of the things that you're getting on your phone can wait an hour, and it'll help your mental health so much to just turn your phone off. Another thing that I do when I'm not feeling great is watch super like mindless, lighthearted TV. My go-to show is RuPaul's Drag Race. That's my favorite show ever, and it's just like such a like lighthearted, funny, happy show. So it makes me feel like so calm and de-stressed. Seasons 1 through 6 are on Hulu, as well as All Stars seasons 1 and 2. All Stars 2 is my go-to. That just warms my heart. Or I like to throw on like a Real Housewives, just something so mindless that takes you out of the things that are going on in the world or in your personal life and just helps you kind of distract yourself. Or it can be like a movie or a YouTuber that you like to watch, just some kind of show or whatever on the TV that can help distract you and calm you down. That helps me a lot. Another go-to is going on walks. Now that I have Lennon, I walk her all the time, and it's really like a good time to just like clear your mind. Sometimes if we're going on a longer walk, I'll put like one AirPod in and listen to music or a podcast. It's just good to get fresh air and move your body, and all of those things help with anxiety or stress. And my last tip is just to call someone, call a friend, call a family member. If you're having a really stressful day, it's good to talk it out. Especially for me, since I live alone, I can go days without any social interaction, so it's really important for me to stay connected with people and talk things through. Definitely don't keep it all bottled up. That's super important. So yeah, those are my tips. Let me know if you guys have any tips that you do to deal with stress. Hopefully we know the results of this election sooner rather than later, so that I can stop checking my phone and just feel at peace regardless of what the results are, but hopefully they're good. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I know it was more of like a chatty video than a vlog of me like doing a lot of stuff, but like I said, it's just been a very slow week here and I just wanted to catch up with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon in another new video. Bye.